Papa! Mama! Look how far I can slide!
Very good, my little snowflake, but don't go too far.
Excellent sliding, Pebble. You're getting stronger every day.
Papa, what's up there? I want to see the tall white mountains.
Those are the ice mountains, little one. Very far and very dangerous.
They're so beautiful! And I'm brave! Can't I just look?
When you're bigger, maybe we'll explore together.
I heard young Pebble asking about the ice mountains. Listen well, little chick. Those peaks are beautiful but deadly.
Hungry creatures? Like what?
Arc foxes, white and silent. They hunt penguins who wander alone. You see, Pebble? The colony is safe. The mountains are not for penguins.
Nap time, my little explorer. Rest your flippers.
But I'm not tired and the mountains are just over there, maybe just a little peak. Just a little closer to see the mountains better. I'll be back before Mama and Papa wake up.
Well, well, little penguin chick all alone.
Well, who are you?
I'm Frost, and I am very, very hungry.
Pebble? Pebble? Where's our baby?
Must renter us! Entrance!
The fox! We have to go now!
Hold on, Pebble! Papa's coming!
Stay together! We'll find him!
You're so young, just a baby. Why did you come here alone?
I wanted to see the beautiful mountains.
I have not eaten in 3 days. But you remind me of my own cubs, before the hunters came. Frost! Step away from the chick! Glacier, I was not going to harm him.
Little penguin, why have you left your colony?
I wanted to see the mountains. They're so beautiful.
I lost my family to hunters. I am alone, hungry, and cold. Pain does not excuse harm, Frost. But choosing mercy despite hunger shows your heart is not lost.
Get away from my son!
Pebble, my baby, are you hurt?
Peace, penguin parents. The fox did not harm your chick. I made sure no other predators came near him.
Papa, Mama, Mr. Frost is not bad. He's just sad and hungry and alone. He didn't hurt me even though he could have.
Is this true?
The little one spoke of family and love. I could not destroy that. I remember love.
Frost, you are hungry. We penguins are fishers. If you promise never to hunt penguin chicks, we will share our fish with you.
You would feed me? After I threatened your son? You chose mercy. We choose mercy in return. Wisdom and compassion from the ice dwellers. I am impressed. I swear on the memory of my lost family, I will never harm a penguin again.
Does that mean you'll be our friend, Mr. Frost?
Yes, little one, I will be your friend and guardian.
Come, Pebble, it's time to go home.
But Mama, I never got to climb the mountains.
Some dreams are about the journey, not the destination, little one. Look at what you found, a friend, a guardian, and a lesson.
Mama, Papa, I'm sorry I left without telling you. I scared you.
Yes, you did scare us very much. What you did was dangerous and wrong.
The little wanderer returns, and safe!
Welcome home, brave little Pebble!
I wasn't really brave. I was scared. But Mr. Frost was brave, and Mama and Papa.
Sleep now, my little adventurer. Tomorrow is a new day.
Mama, Papa, I love you. I'm sorry.
Little Pebble slept safely at home, while Frost watched kindly under the southern stars. Good night.